Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've been to Primark and I bought some bargains and they're all in this bag. There's a bit of a mix. There's some jewellery, there's some nightwear and there's some shoes as well. So I'll go through it one by one, showing you what I bought. I came home around 10 minutes ago, so I thought before I settle down, before I put everything away, I'll get my camera out and do a little video. So the first thing I had my eye on as soon as I went into Primark was their nightwear. So I went straight there and had a really good rummage through. Normally I find it really hard to find my size. I'm a size UK 16, I can fit into 18 and some 14s even fit me as well, but not so much now we're in the winter. Tend to be more the 16 to 18 side. But yeah, for Primark I always go for large, which is a 14 to 16, and generally nearly everything in size large does fit me. So I picked up a set. You can buy them individually, but I decided to buy them both. I'll show you the top first. So this set is known as Secret Possessions Collections, and it was £6 for this top, and I got it for £3. You can see there. It is beautiful. It's like a purple, like mock satin. It is stunning. It's stunning, like a baby doll sort of style, where it comes in underneath the boob area and then it just slightly flares out. And you've got a lacy cup detail there. You've got adjustable straps and there's elasticated just on the back there as well. I just thought that is beautiful, and for £3 that is such a bargain. So there's that. And to go with it, I saw these trousers. These were in the sale section, and obviously they're the same sort of pattern, the same colour as the top and everything, so I assumed they would be on the sale, but there wasn't any tags on them. So these were £10. But when I went to the counter to pay for them, they were marked down to £5. So full price would have been £16, but on sale I got them for £8, so half price. They've got a back elastication and then just a band in the front there. You've got little pockets, a little bit of lace detailing there. It's just really pretty, nice gorgeous purple colour. And there's some lace detail on the bottom there as well. I didn't notice those in the shop actually, but it doesn't matter. So that was my bargain nightwear find. Next I went on to homeware and I found some cushions. These are stunning. These are so beautiful. 2 cushions, they were £10, half price down to £5, but they're navy sort of vela. So on one side it's like a smooth sort of suede. They're not real suede, it's obviously fake, isn't it? But on the other is like a sort of vela. It's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And we are doing up our bedroom at the moment. In my mind I've got jeweled sort of colours to go in there. We've got white walls, but then we've got like a peacock greeny blue wall as well. I wanted to add some burnt oranges. I wanted to add like grey colours and like mustard colours and things like that. So I saw these and I thought that would be gorgeous. That would be really gorgeous. Maybe even just have one on the bed, because the bed itself is this colour and vela as well. I thought maybe having one of these on the bed, and downstairs we're changing our living room eventually as well, and we're doing it white, grey and navy. So yeah, so that'll come in handy down there. So I got 2 cushions for £5, which is brilliant. So next I bought a pair of trainers, and these cost me £8, not on the sale, but they look very similar to Vans, don't they? They're really cool, but I just thought the colour would go with everything. Just handy, just nice to wear, nice trainers. I got some white ones, but I did fancy a mustard colour. But my daughter bought them and she says there's no chance that she wants me to buy them as well, just in case we end up wearing them at the same time. This was a good few months ago, so she spotted these first. And she was like, "Ooh, I quite like those." And I go, "Oh, so do I." And she goes, "Right, I'm not buying them." And I said, "Well, if you want them, you buy them. I won't buy them." But she goes, "No, it's fine, it's fine." So I ended up buying them. So they've got a little bit of a platform on them. I'm a UK size 8, and yep, these were £8, so not on the sale, but just really nice. Really, really nice to wear with like crop jeans or something like that in the summer, or with dresses or something. Yeah, handy staple pair of trainers. So there's those. Next I noticed Primark had a brush section. Now I haven't noticed them before. They might have been there for a long, long time, but I haven't noticed them. So I thought I'd give it a go. So I picked up a powder brush, and it just says here, suitable for vegans. It costs £2.50. And yeah, it just looked really lovely, just really, really nice. I'll just get it out to show you properly. The only thing though is some of the eyeshadow brushes I noticed, because they were in the similar sort of packaging where it goes in here, they were double-ended and the brushes were squished up. So obviously you're not going to buy that, are you? It's just got powder brush written on there, but I just thought that's a really nice brush. I wanted it to use it as a bronzer brush because it's a little bit smaller than the bronzer brush that I've got. And yeah, I just thought it'd be quite nice just to swirl a bit of bronzer on the sides of my face there. So I thought that would be lovely. It feels really nice and soft. So yeah, £2.50 powder brush. Then I picked up a lip liner and crayon duo. I'll take the wrapping off now, but this cost me £2 and I got it in shade red. The lip liner, and it's a twist up one. That's what it looks like there. And then the lip crayon then, the other end. There you go. Let's see. That's lovely. That is really lovely. That is really, really nice. I absolutely love lip crayons. They're so quick and easy to apply. I'm wearing one now, and I tend to, if I'm on holiday, that's what I tend to do. I might have my favourite lipstick with me, but I tend to have a lot of lip crayons because they are like a 2-in-1, a lip liner and a lipstick in one, and they tend to stay put as well. I'll see how this is on my lips, and yeah, if I do really like it, then yeah, I'm going to get a few more. So now I'm really chuffed at that. So £2 lip product. Next I got a pore remover, and this cost £1. You can see it in there. So it's just a little metal little gadget there to help clean pores and to help squeeze blackheads out. So it's something I've been wanting to get in the house for a long time. I've probably had a few over the years, but yeah, especially as all my kids are coming into sort of teenage years now. Yeah, they're getting spots and blackheads and stuff. So I don't want them picking. So I want them to, if they're going to try and get rid of them, I want them to do it gently. And using one of these might be a bit kinder than actually using your fingers to get in there. But yeah, £1. Just a beauty essential. Next is some hair accessories. Now I didn't need 20. I literally only wanted about 4, but there wasn't a smaller pack. But it's £1, as you can see, and the little slides there. So I thought that was quite nice. As you see, there's loads, absolutely loads. I just wanted them to put in my hair, something like that. I can't see what I'm doing. I'm looking at the viewfinder. But yeah, just quick and easy clips just to put in my hair and to like pin my fringe back and things. And I've got some that are bigger than this and they're just too bulky. They just don't look right. So no, these are the perfect size for me and my hair. But yeah, I got 20 of them. So there's that. Then on to some jewellery, and I always get some jewellery in Primark. So I got some bracelets. Now these cost £2 and I got them in size medium to large. I think I've had them before. I think I have, but they look a little bit thicker. So I hope they will last me a bit longer. I can't remember what happened to the other ones. So they're just a set of 3 little bracelets there. And I just thought it'd be nice to add to my collection of bracelets. I have got loads and loads and loads. But yeah, I particularly like the first one. I'm really not that into sparkly jewellery. Those down there are okay. I'll mix it with other bracelets as well. So yeah. So there's those. And then lastly from Primark, I bought some rings, and I bought 2 sets this time. Now they both cost £3 each, and they're in size medium to large. You might be looking at them and thinking, what is the difference, Claire? They look the same. What is the difference? There's a slight difference. Hold on, if I manoeuvre them to show you what they look like better. Now I don't mind wearing rings with a little bit of a sparkle, as long as it looks a bit more like bohemian style. But yeah, I just love stacking rings. I love stacking rings together, and there's some really pretty ones there. And silver is what I tend to always wear anyway. I do wear gold sometimes in the summer, but silver is what I usually wear. So there's those, and there's those then. There's a few there that I'm not keen on, but it's fine. I think for £3 I've got quite a few rings that I will definitely use. More for like stacking, putting on my thumbs and things, just for adding a little bit more bling to my hands. I'm not wearing any at all today. I left the house in a hurry. Did my hair and makeup, but forgot my jewellery except for my earrings. So yeah, so I got 2 sets of those, so they should last me a little while. I tend to buy lots of cheap rings like this, so then if I lose them or if they discolour or anything, then I'm not sad about it. I'm not sad because they only cost me a couple of pounds. So those are all the items that I bought in Primark. I didn't buy anything like clothing or anything like that. I just felt that I didn't need anything at the moment. I've got a few jumpers that I've had over the last month or 2. I don't need any jeans at the moment. There's a lot of fashion that I'm really not into. A lot of shirts, but more like office sort of style. I don't know, it seemed a little bit boring in there, in all honesty. I much prefer like spring or autumn sort of Primark fashions. I think winter time, I don't know, it's a little bit boring, just plain jumpers, which is alright, don't get me wrong. It's alright, it's alright, but yeah, I just was walking around thinking it's nothing I particularly want, so that's why I went for a bit of a mixture. Didn't spend lots altogether. I think it came to about £45, so not mega bucks, which I'm happy about, and I bought items that I know I will love and I will wear. But I hope you enjoyed this haul. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.